Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Mistfall Hunter Error Code 0xC00007b. So here's what you gotta do. You wanna open a new Chrome tab and type in Visual C++. And you wanna click the first link, scroll all the way down till you find latest supported version. And first download the x64, save it and open it. And simply install it. I already have the latest version. For you, simply click install and let it install. And after you're done with that, you want to do the same with x86. So download it, open it, and install it. And after you're done with all of that, you want to exit out of this, open your NVIDIA or AMD app, and go to drivers and download the latest and greatest driver. While that is going through its courses, you want to turn off the G-Sync and go to here and disable the NVIDIA overlay if you have it on. You want to open your Steam, go to library, find your game, right click on it, go to properties, go to installed files, and you want to move the folder to local disk C if you have it on D or any other drive. You want to move it to the local disk C where your Windows is installed. And after you do that, restart your PC and the game should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Mistfall Hunter Error Code 0xC00007b. Hope this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.